Often we have patients who come in who want a baseline hearing test, which is a great idea because sometimes even if patients aren't having trouble hearing, they need to know what their hearing results are. And if we identify a hearing loss, but yet they're not ready for hearing aids, we provide an annual hearing check for them so we can monitor how their hearing is. If they are having issues but aren't quite ready, we also do the same. We have them come back for an annual check, and we also try to keep them updated on new technology, what's available, what can help them. The sooner you're fit with hearing aids, the better. The more quickly the brain can adapt, the more benefit you're going to get. Your lifestyle will improve. Many times if you are fit when you're a little bit younger, you don't have as many illnesses and issues to deal with, so it's usually an easier transition.